Hey guys, this is Joey Dill. Welcome back to my project Insights, another deep dive breakdown video. This time for my track Burn the House Down. It's an acid, big room, trance track. I think the acid and trance sound is really popular at the moment. Think of names like Maddox, Kiki, Ollie James and Hardwell, of course, who are releasing stuff like this also. We're gonna show you the drop, the samples, the synths, the complete project breakdown in this video. I think this project is gonna show you if you have the right mix, the right samples and the right loops, you can pretty easily make a big sounding track. So let's dive straight into it. I will play you the drop first, but first this is the complete project. Not that much tracks, a lot of loops, a lot of samples, and of course a nice break I will show you later. Let's first play the first part. Okay, first start off with the kick. If you watch my other videos, you will probably recognize this kick. It's called the Kick Jungle. I found on Splice. It's basically the same kick I used in a lot of projects, and I think that's the key here. If you find a good sounding sample, there's nothing wrong with using it in a lot of tracks, because if it sounds right, you know why not? Also the bass. This bass is also used in Zodiac and in my other tracks also, and again it's the same principle. If it's sounding good, you can use it in more tracks, but don't overdo it. I think I made around 5 tracks with it, and for me that's the max. Yeah, what I did in terms of EQing on the bass, you can see this time I pushed around to 300 Hertz because I wanted to hear it also. If I play it for you, you can hear the raw sounding sound. I wanted to have more prominent in the mix, so I just pushed it up a little bit. It's around 3 dB. Then also a sidechain extra. As you can see on the sample here. Here of course you can see it already has a sidechain also on it. But I wanted to sidechain it a bit more because I wanted to give the acid sound more room on the drop. So yeah, I added another sidechain on it from the Kickstart 2 by Nicky Romero, and I added this one. I will play it for you. A really tight sounding bass line. Of course this sound, if you watch my other videos, you know I use this for the background a lot. It really fills up the space in a nice way. Also added a little bit of reverb on it, as you can see, around 27% wet. And yeah, just some simple sidechain on it. Together it sounds like this, of course. So yeah, that's nice. Oh yeah, and also the complete track is in G. So if you have the project and if you're watching this video and you can watch with me, the track is in G. Then we go to, I think, the main part of the track. And it's actually a really simple loop I found on Splice. It goes like this. I will show you without processing first. It goes like this. Yeah, it's obviously a really big sounding acid sound, and I think because acid is really popular at the moment, this is used by a lot of people. But yeah, I thought the sound was so nice that I wanted to make a complete track around it because it is effective, it is simple, and it sounds big together with a nice kick and bass. And that's what I wanted to tell you about this project. If you have some nice samples and some nice kick and bass, you can already have like a really nice effective drop if you work it out properly. So yeah, in terms of EQing, I boosted up a little bit on the higher frequencies, around 5,000 to 6,000 Hertz. This filter is used in the break later, I will show you. And a little bit even more on the higher frequencies. Together with the kick and the bass, it sounds like this, and it's almost completely the whole track the whole drop part. So as you can see, because the whole sample was already sounding so good, I didn't even use the sidechain on it because it was already sidechained by the creator of the sample. So yeah, together with some FX, also I use this FX, this one, some simple down sweeps. Yeah, you can see. Oh, and of course the top kick. It's a top kick, and I cut out the lower frequencies on it. Yeah, and I think a top kick can really make a difference in the drop, and especially on your kicks. So that's what we have another here. Oh, this is the vocal. I will show you later. Yeah, together. Oh yeah, also I use this. It's like a techno acid sound, also nice in a drop. As you can hear it, I will play it for you. You can hear it. And of course, it's really important to put it in the same key. This one is in G, and the whole track was already in G, so I didn't have to pitch it. Let's go to the next part of the track. The next part of the drop, after 4 or 8 bars, there are a lot of hi-hats coming in. If you're watching this and you have bought the whole project, you also have these hi-hats and these loops. Also the bigger hi-hat loops already processed for you. Yeah, they come in after the first part. Okay, and here the next part, you can hear the synths coming in. Yeah, just to add some variation, I really wanted to add some synths in it also. I created myself. So I use these synths. It's a layered synth, of course, because you know I like to layer a lot of my sounds from Spire. It goes like this if I play it solo. I like to use really short notes because of the energy and because of the rawness. I think I think it adds a lot of flavor in a synth if you add really short notes. I also did it in Zodiac in the drop. And also in my track Out in the Universe on Revealed Recordings. This layer is Shapers, which I use a lot. So that's the first part of the synth. Then we go to another one to make it sound even bigger. Over here are more the open sol synths.